All right, so we've talked about water conservation and the drought, but look at these pictures. You got to come to your screen to see this. This is Lake Travis down in Austin. Wait, really? It doesn't normally look like that, that's for sure. Wow. Super dry, very low. The water line dropped so much. You can see it's just clearly visible on the Mansfield Dam. Oh my goodness.
It's bad stuff. You know,
that is.
We talk about it here in North Texas, the drought's bad. It's the whole state. I mean, most of the state needs about a foot of rain to catch up.
But it's just nothing in sight right now.
Nothing significant.
It's all around the state, but it's just not coming through.
Yeah, it's exactly right. Yeah, nothing. And that's a real typical summertime pattern. The problem is we locked into this way too soon. And I remember in early, kind of like late spring, early summer saying like, if we don't get rain now, we're going to be in serious trouble because we don't really get rain this time of year. So I want to start with the drought map. This is the drought monitor. This will update tomorrow as well. It's exceptional drought for a good portion of North Texas. That's the highest level you can get. The red areas, extreme drought. And then outside of that, it's severe and moderate. So it's bad. And look at the whole state of Texas. Down into the hill country, you see widespread exceptional drought here from San Antonio, like I said, west of Austin. Austin itself in extreme drought. Out toward the Panhandle, you still see some exceptional and extreme drought. I said this a second ago, 12 to 15 inches of rain to completely end the drought for most of Texas. That's a lot of catching up to do, and we're not the only ones, too. You go out west, they're seeing really bad drought, too. You've probably seen some pictures of Lake Mead out near Vegas. You see the drought's really bad there, too. You know, lucky enough, there's actually been some good rain happening in parts of the desert Southwest. We'll show you that in a second. But I want to remind people, because of the drought conditions, the hot temps, the grass is so dry, grass fires can ignite very easily. And because it's going to be breezy over the next several days, they will spread quickly, too. So you got to take that very, very seriously. Be careful with every county in North Texas is under a burn ban. Do everything you can to prevent that. 90 degrees right now. Winds are out of the south at 14 miles an hour. Another heat advisory today. That will start in 19 minutes, if I did my math correctly. And that's all of North Texas. 103 to 106 for most of the area with heat index values up to 107. Same thing applies tomorrow afternoon. 102 in Corsicana, 102 in Hillsboro, 103 in Mineral Wells, Graham 103, 101 in Sulphur Springs and Paris, and 102 in Terrell, 104 for the cities of Dallas and Fort Worth. And you'll see it's the same stuff. I mean, we may take a little dip here. Friday and Saturday, 101 Friday, Saturday 100. Heat index values a few degrees warmer than the actual air temperature when you factor in the humidity. We need rain. We're not going to see a significant chance, at least over the next 7 to 10 days. But like I said, there's some rain out in the desert Southwest. They're drought stricken there. Rain in the upper Midwest too. Here we are dry. We do have at least a small chance of rain Friday and Saturday. It's isolated stuff. 10%, 20% coverage for the Dallas-Fort Worth area in this light shaded green. The darker shaded green, maybe 30, 40%. That's Friday and Saturday, some more scattered rain in the forecast. Then beyond this weekend, in the 10-day forecast, you'll see there's another chance next week. Tuesday, Wednesday. Right now, 10%, my hope, as we get more data in, my hope is that we can increase the rain chance, drop the temperature a little bit. You may remember this scenario last week. Another boundary is going to kind of seep this into the region, and we hope that it goes farther south this time. Right now, 10% rain chances, and highs in the upper 90s, 98 degrees on Thursday, and then Friday, 99.
You know, that's my hope too.
Yeah.
Just wishing for some more rain chances. We really do. Thanks so much, Jesse.